Hey guys, so I just gave my grandpa back his comb, but this is what it sounds like with the four-wheeler exhaust that I made. Works pretty good. The hood's a little clingy, like clangy, but that's okay. I still have to trim it and fiddle with it, but good enough. Works out pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna go on a slight romp. Got my Gatorade bottle full of water. Got the pull rope, things like that. Oh my god, I just sat all over Paulin, but whatever. I don't like how the hood rattles so much. I'm gonna have to fix that soon. You can never go wrong with a Gatorade bottle full of ice water. The exhaust doesn't hit or anything, but I love this thing so awesome. Yeah, we're gonna go up on the hill I got here. See you guys later.